Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to change background theme in Roblox. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So for that you need to enter into your browser and please copy the link in the description, place it over your browser, and you need to add the extension, style custom extension. Once you click the add extension, it will automatically add it to your browser, and you can check over on the puzzle icon. You can also ping it for direct select for extension. Once it done, please search your background as like you want. Like I want Roblox, so I just search as a Roblox and added one of the Roblox background. Once it added, please check it out using your browser itself. Yeah, it shows like this. So this is how guys we can add our background for Roblox using our browser extension. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.